Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to pin an app on your Google Pixel. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, tap the gear icon to open up your settings menu. This is where you'll find all the security features that control how apps behave on your device. Once you're in settings, scroll down until you see security and privacy, then tap on it. This section contains all the essential privacy controls for your Pixel phone. Next, you'll need to scroll down again and tap on more security and privacy. This is where Google keeps some of the more advanced security features that aren't used as frequently. Keep scrolling down until you find app pinning and tap on it. This feature is designed to lock a single app on your screen, which is incredibly useful when you want to hand your phone to someone but only want them to access one specific app. Now you should see the option that says Use App Pinning. Tap the toggle button beside it to turn it on. When you do this, a confirmation message will appear explaining how the feature works. Go ahead and tap OK to confirm your choice. This enables the pinning functionality across your entire device, so you can now pin any app whenever you need to. With app pinning now activated, go back to your home screen. From here, tap on the app you want to pin to open it. This could be any app you choose, whether it's a game, a browser, a messaging app, or anything else you want to keep locked on your screen. Once the app is open, swipe upwards from the bottom of your screen to open the App Manager. This view shows all your currently running apps and gives you access to additional controls. Now look at the top of the App Preview card and tap the drop-down icon. This reveals a menu with several options for managing that specific app. From this menu, tap Pin and the app will immediately be locked to your screen. This means the person using your phone won't be able to navigate away from this app or access anything else on your device until you unpin it. It's a simple but powerful way to maintain privacy and control when sharing your phone. And that's it, you've successfully pinned an app on your Google Pixel, giving you complete control over what others can access on your device. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.